Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best cookware sets available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a casual home cook, we've got options ranging from budget-friendly to premium. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Amazon Basics Nonstick Kitchen Cookware 8-piece set. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option that still delivers solid performance for everyday cooking, this set is worth considering. Priced at just $47.49, it includes 2 fry pans, 8-inch and 10-inch, a 1.5-quart saucepan, a 2-quart saucepan, and a 3-quart casserole pan, all with lids. The non-stick coating is a standout feature here, allowing food to slide off effortlessly during cooking and making cleanup a breeze. The spiral bottom promotes even heat distribution, but keep in mind that it's not compatible with induction stovetops. The soft-touch handles are comfortable and stay cool, adding safety and convenience to your cooking experience. However, this set is hand wash only and not oven safe, which may limit its versatility. Overall, this is a great starter set for anyone on a tight budget who needs basic cookware for simple meals. It's lightweight, easy to use, and has earned solid customer reviews. But the lack of induction compatibility and dishwasher safety are notable drawbacks. If you're just starting out or need a quick replacement set, this might be the perfect choice for you. At number 4, we have the CAROTE Nonstick Pots and Pans 16-piece induction cookware set. This is a versatile and eco-friendly option that prioritizes safety and performance. The titanium nonstick coating ensures food slides off easily, while resisting stains and odors for a cleaner cooking experience. The set includes frying pans, saucepans, a sauté pan, a stock pot, and handy accessories like pan protectors and utensils, crafted from reinforced die-cast aluminum. This set is designed for durability, with even heat distribution and no hot spots. It's compatible with all stovetops, including induction, and is oven-safe, giving you flexibility for various cooking techniques. The silicone glass lids lock in heat and flavor, while the Bakelite handles remain cool for safe handling. Plus, it's PFOS and PFOA-free, making it a healthier choice for your kitchen. On the downside, the price isn't listed, so affordability may vary based on your region. Some users might find the number of accessories unnecessary, especially if they already own similar tools. But overall, this set is a fantastic choice for families or home cooks who want a durable, non-toxic, and induction-compatible cookware set with a wide range of options. Coming in at number 3 is the CAROTE 15-piece pots and pans set with detachable handles. This cookware set is all about versatility and space-saving design, making it ideal for smaller kitchens, apartments, or RVs. The detachable handles allow for compact stacking, saving up to 75% more space compared to traditional cookware. The set includes frying pans, saucepans, sauté pans, lids, storage covers, and pot pads. Made with natural ceramic, this cookware is SGS approved and free from harmful substances like PFOA, PTFE, and lead. The ultra non-stick ceramic coating ensures food slides off effortlessly, allowing you to cook with less oil or butter. It's compatible with all stovetops, including induction, and oven-safe up to 480 degrees Fahrenheit. Cleaning is a breeze thanks to its smooth surface and dishwasher-safe design. The removable handles provide a secure grip, but some users may find the clip-on mechanism tricky at first. While the price isn't listed, the premium ceramic build and thoughtful design make this set a worthwhile investment for anyone seeking healthy, compact, and versatile cookware. If you're cooking in tight spaces or simply want to maximize cabinet storage, this set is an excellent option. At number 2, we have the CAROTE 19-piece pots and pans set in cream white. This cookware set brings a touch of elegance to your kitchen while delivering top-notch performance. The detachable handles make stacking and storage effortless, saving up to 70% more space compared to conventional sets. The set includes frying pans, saucepans, deep frying pans, glass lids, and removable handles, making it versatile for various cooking needs. The non-stick granite coating provides excellent food release and fuss-free cleaning, while the reinforced aluminum construction ensures rapid and even heat distribution. This set is compatible with all stovetops, including induction, and is oven and fridge safe, making it a multitasking powerhouse. The upgraded handle design adds security during cooking, and the cream white finish is a stylish addition to any kitchen. While the price isn't provided, the high customer ratings and balanced features make this set a strong contender for anyone seeking space-saving cookware with premium performance. However, it may not be ideal for those who prefer darker finishes or traditional handles. If you're looking for high-quality cookware that combines functionality with modern aesthetics, this set is a fantastic choice. Taking the top spot at number 1, we have the T-fal Ultimate Hard Anodized Nonstick Cookware Set. Priced at $220.75, this premium 17-piece set offers unmatched durability, performance, and versatility. The hard anodized aluminum construction ensures longevity, while the titanium nonstick coating provides effortless food release and easy cleanup. The set includes fry pans, saucepans, a griddle, a sauté pan, a Dutch oven, and even a steamer insert. One standout feature is the thermospot technology, which turns solid red when the pans are properly preheated, making it easier to achieve perfect cooking results every time. The riveted silicone handles offer a comfortable grip, and the vented tempered glass lids trap heat and moisture while maintaining visibility. This cookware is oven-safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and dishwasher-safe, adding convenience to your cooking routine. While the price point is higher than other sets on this list, the T-fal Ultimate Cookware Set delivers premium quality and versatility that justifies the investment. It's perfect for serious home cooks or anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen with reliable, high-performance cookware. The only downside is that it's not induction compatible, but for gas and electric stovetops, this set is hard to beat. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope this video helped you find the perfect cookware set for your kitchen. If you enjoyed this content, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments which set looks like the best fit for you. And if you have any questions, I'll be happy to help. See you in the next video.